Hi, my name is Pete Jezyk, Superintendent with Pepper Construction, and I'm here today to give you the construction update at Hinsdale South. We have completed a new pool natatorium and are anxiously awaiting the opening of this space for student use. This space is sure to be an exciting new addition to Hinsdale South. Classroom work throughout the entire campus is in the finishing stages, and these refreshed classrooms will be a fresh inspiration of the new school year in all the departments. The new student services area has taken its shape and is also being finished up this week to make sure we are ready for the staff to come back to work in preparation for the first day of school. Final trim, clean, and furniture is being installed on all the floors of the school. The auditorium is just about wrapped up with its renovation. Seating and carpentry is done below, and the upper level is getting finished this week for the spectator portion of this work. We've done a lot of work behind the scenes here with sound, lighting fixtures, equipment replacement. The stage area is finishing up new sound clouds, fixtures, and appurtenances above the stage. As we turn the corner towards the CTE, we can see the freshly reconfigured space that is getting finished in anticipation of equipment going in. This space was gutted, rebuilt, and is going to be a very neat new space for the school. Frames, new doors, ceilings, fixtures, devices, and many other upgrades were done all throughout the school and corridors. And that's our construction update for today. There's been a lot of work done here at Hinsdale South throughout the entire campus, and we're excited to see the students come back and see it all on their first day.